I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be doing this super bright neon yellow set, and these are the products I'm using. I'll have them listed throughout the video and in the description box for you guys. So I did actually somehow, I don't know how, film two nails, but they didn't film. Like, I didn't have the footage for them, so I do not know what happened there. But yes, that's what happened. Luckily, I'm doing two nails similar, so you kind of still get to see the process anyway. So that's not a problem. So I'm just coming in with the nude colour, which will be launching at Nailmate UK. So this will be available at glitterplanetuk.com, and I'll have the link down below for the website, but it's not released just yet. I know you guys are so excited for this system. I am so excited as well to show you guys, because honestly, it is a bomb. And I just love it so freaking much. So yeah, I'm gonna come in and I'm just creating an extended nail bed with this. I'm doing my first bead, getting that into position, and then I'll come in with my cuticle bead. And the brush that I'm using is the number 10 magic stick, and it is available right now, so that is very, very exciting for you guys. If you see the handle as well in this video, it is different, so make sure you check out the pictures on the website. The only thing that's different is that I chose to go with a finer glitter for the actual handle, because I felt like the glitter that's on this one just looked really shoddy and not cool. So yes, it's slightly different, but the head of the brush and everything like that is the same. So this smile line was a little bit of a pain, and it was a little bit wonky, I'm not gonna lie, but I got there in the end, and I managed to sort it out with some filing once it had set. So next I'm moving on to the pointer finger, and this is just going to be a fade from the nude to the neon yellow and added glitter on top, because obviously I absolutely love glitter. So I started right at the cuticle and made sure to make that bead flush, pressing with the tip and the belly of my brush, making sure that none of that product has touched the skin, just making sure to use my brush as the barrier. And once I've blended that down the nail to where I want it, I'm coming in with the neon yellow, which is from GLAM and GLITZ. So this yellow is super neon in the pot, like it literally looks like a highlighter, but I did feel like it dulled slightly. But then when I actually got a highlighter pen, it literally was the colour of a highlighter, so you know, kind of don't really know what I was trying to say there. But at first I thought it just went to like a regular yellow, but honestly it is super, super bright. So over the top I'm just laying neon iridescent and then rainbow lights, and then on top of that I'm coming in with Lemon Delight, and this mix of like glitters just really made the nails look super cute and summery, perfect for holidays and vacations and stuff like that, or if you just love having bright nails, perfect for that as well. So I always use a tiny amount of clear, and I'll either pick the glitter up out of the pot, or I'll place the clear onto the nail and then just pick up the glitter with my wet brush and pat that into the clear acrylic that I just laid. So moving on to the thumb, I'm going to come in and create an extended nail bed again with that nude colour. And guess what, guys? I have made it through to the final of the Scratch Star Awards 2018, so I will be going to London to compete live in May, and then I will also be at the Scratch Summer Party, which is in July. You can buy tickets for that if you want to go and just have a party and meet me. It's just like a social event for nail techs and stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So yeah, that's it. Literally just wanted to let you guys know because I'm so excited. So freaking excited. So next I've finished part of the nails, so I'm going to come in and cap the ones that are ready for capping. And I'm just using clear acrylic and making sure that the acrylic is a little bit wetter so that it does fill around the glitter, because sometimes if you do work a little bit too dry, you can get air pockets and air bubbles, and you don't want that. So I finished. I did come in with my hand file and just file the smile line to shape just to define it a little bit more, and then I'm coming in with the neon yellow and some of the glitters as well, and just adding those to the tip of this nail so that the whole set sort of flows on and everything's really nice and what's the word, coherent? I hope that's the right word. I think it is. So I went ahead and filed and buffed the nails off camera, and now it's time to come in with some nail art and some pigments as well. So I'm coming in with Glitter Planet's Aurora pigment, and I'm going to use the silicone tool and also the Cura Sky No Wipe top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and just paint over that, obviously, and then I'm going to cure that in the light for 60 seconds. And once I've done that, I'll come in with the pigment and burnish that straight into the nail. So I just like to pick the pigments up on my finger, and once I've done that, I'll buff it into the nail really nicely, and then I'll come in with the silicone tool and really work it in. I just find that the silicone tool really allows the pigment to smooth effortlessly and really finely mills it into that top coat and makes a really nice smooth finish. That's just a personal preference. Some people just like to use their finger. It depends what pigments as well that you are using, to what kind of tools you need to use to apply them. Some apply better with the sponge, some apply better just with your finger or just with the silicone tool. So yes, this pigment as well looked beautiful. I just dimmed the light there so you can sort of see the shine, because I was really finding it difficult to catch it on camera, but honestly it was literally gorgeous over this yellow. It made it so rich and just, oh, gorge. So next I'm just coming in with some nail art pieces and crystals, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a random design. Well, I'm actually copying off my other hand because I wanted my nails to match this time. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add these pieces, and then I'll be back to add the top coat and do some 3D work as well. So now I have finished applying all of my nail art and my studs and crystals and everything like that. I'm coming in and applying top coat. The top coat that I am using is the Cura Sky No Wipe, so I'm going to apply that to all the nails and then cure under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now to add the tiny detail flowers, I'm coming in with the number 2 3D brush, and it's a super fine 3D detailing brush for really minuscule work. Like you can do super tiny details, or you can do larger bits, but it's best for really fine detailed work. I will do a full video explaining and showing all of the brushes. I just need to get around to doing that. I have got it written down on a list of things to do, so look forward to that video. So I'm just coming in with some white acrylic and creating some petals, and this brush is perfect for creating super tiny cute little petals. Honestly, the control that you have with this brush is unreal, and I absolutely love it for 3D work, and I can highly recommend it because it is what I use as well. So I'm just going to continue doing that, and I've left it in regular motion so you guys can really see my technique and method. And if you want a full explanation, I will go ahead and do that in a 3D flowers video tutorial, maybe, possibly. I could sort of like cover different styles of flowers, like the rose encapsulated on top of the nail, and then a flower like this as well. But yeah, let me know if you want that, like a 3D flower tutorial video, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing this, and then I will be back in a little minute to show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it as well, and comment, because it really helps my channel grow, and I am so close to 100k. I am so excited. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.